A capacitor that looks electrically fine can still be about to fail, and early warning signs let you act before a compressor stops. Listen for subtle humming changes and temperature shifts at the unit, because a failing capacitor often runs hotter than its peers and may cause a faint tone that varies with load. Check the physical can for any bulging at the top or bottom, because internal dielectric breakdown pushes the case outward before electrical readings change. Look for rust around the terminals and mounting bracket, and for oily or crystalline seepage from the vent, which indicate electrolyte breakdown or a breached seal. Note the capacitor age and service hours, since older units lose capacitance gradually even if microfarad readings are within tolerance. So keep a replacement schedule based on life expectancy rather than solely on measurements. During live checks, compare phase current balance and motor start times, because increased start time or uneven phase currents point to reduced start or run capacitance that standard meters might mask. Keep a simple checklist and record readings and observations each visit so trends reveal gradual decline and trigger replacement before failure. 3 common mistakes hasten failure or hide it from technicians, and each has a straightforward fix. Relying only on static capacitance numbers misses dielectric deterioration, so pair measurements with temperature checks and physical inspection every service. Assuming a capacitor is fine because the system runs occasionally leads to surprise failures, so replace units that are past their expected life or show any physical signs even if numbers look acceptable. Installing the wrong voltage or underrated capacity to save cost causes overheating and early failure, so match the original specifications and use quality parts rated for the operating environment. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for maintenance tasks like capacitor inspection and replacement, and we make it easier for contractors to find steady work from homeowners needing timely, predictive maintenance. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and service professionals exchange practical tips, repair experiences, and trusted practices.